Samantha. I work at Mid-Florida Credit Union at the Carrollwood branch. Today we are the title sponsors for the CABA golf tournament. It's a beautiful day here. We're having a great time. If you ever need a community credit union to fill in any of your business or personal banking needs, we are here whenever you need us.
Hi there, I'm Teresa, the Marketing Director for Hancock Injury Attorneys. We're out here on this beautiful golf course for CABA's annual golf tournament. We're so excited to be a title sponsor this year. We have all our swag out here and enjoying the day with all of our fellow business partners in CABA. CABA is the best way that we're able to get involved with our community in Carrollwood, and we're so excited to be part of it and continue to grow with everyone else. If you're thinking about joining CABA, I highly recommend doing so. It's a fantastic way to network with local businesses in the Carrollwood area and a great way to grow your own business. You have opportunities to promote your own business through email campaigns, on their website, and through social media. So join today. Cheers.
Hey guys, I'm Jason Estasi. I'm a franchise owner for Express Oil Change and Tire Engineers here. We're located here in Tampa and in the Oldsmar area. So I'd say if you're thinking about joining CABA, it's a great organization. It is absolutely fantastic. If you're a small business owner, this is the place to be. Not only is it a nominal fee, but it's going to bring you so much. It's an organization where you're going to get everything that you put into it, you're going to get back in folds. You're going to meet a lot of great people, you're going to make a lot of great connections, and you're going to get a lot of business out of CABA. And not to mention, we just like to get together and have a lot of fun. It's not all serious networking. We get together for social events, we get together for parties, and it's going to be the way to skyrocket your business. Yeah.
Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm here with the Moss Foundation. We represent Moss Nissan and Moss Acura. I'm here part of the golf events, and it's been great. It's been a lot of fun. A lot of the golfers have made it very entertaining. The weather has been great, which also makes it even more fun. When you ask them how the game is going, I've learned that that's not what you ask. You ask if they are having a good time, because then you definitely get a better answer and a big smile.
All right, what's up everybody? My name is Casey.
Kelly?
Yes, we got Miss Kelly out here with me. So we are from Lane Family Wellness and Chiropractic out here at the CABA golf tournament over at Cheval. So we've had a great day so far. Everyone's having lots of fun. Beautiful weather, could not ask for a better day. So hopefully gonna wrap it up here shortly and we'll have a great night. So having a good old time. So thank you to CABA and everyone who put this together. We are loving it out here. So thank you guys, everyone.
Hi, Jeff Ryder with Carroll Copy Center, board member, golf director. Another great CABA golf classic here at Cheval. CABA members step up and make this a very, very successful event, and you know we're very proud of what we do. And yeah, great day, and thank you to all our title sponsors and all our sponsors and players that came out. You know, you guys make it happen, but hopefully everybody had a great time today. That's the bottom line, everybody had a great time. So.